Love taking pictures? Want to turn your hobby into cash? Let's dive deeper into how you can make money with the Foap app. Step 1. Download and sign up. First, grab your smartphone and head to your app store. Search for Foap and download the app. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, create a free account using your email or social media login. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Upload your best shots. Foap allows you to upload both photos and videos, so diversify your content. Focus on high-quality images with good lighting and composition. The more varied your portfolio, the better your chances of attracting buyers. Step 3. Understand Foap missions. Foap frequently hosts missions where brands are looking for specific types of photos or videos. These missions are a great way to earn extra cash. Check the mission section regularly and participate in those that align with your photography style. Step 4. Optimize your photos. To increase your chances of selling, use relevant keywords when uploading your photos. For example, if you've taken a picture of a coffee cup, use keywords like coffee, morning, beverage, and lifestyle. Step 5. Engage with the Foap community. Foap is more than just a platform to sell photos. It's a community of photographers. Follow other users, like their photos, and participate in discussions. This can help you get noticed and build relationships with potential buyers. Step 6. Understand the earning model. When someone licenses your photo, you and Foap split the earnings 50/50. The price for a single image license is usually $10. However, if your photo is selected for a mission, you can earn significantly more. By following these steps and consistently uploading high-quality photos, you can increase your chances of success on Foap. Happy snapping! Follow the video description box and find ways to earn more money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you. Thanks for watching.